Hello everyone, Ryan here. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how you can add the payment icons to Shopify product pages. In this video, we're going to explore the powerful application that can help you showcase your accepted payment methods, and this will help you boost customer confidence and increase conversions. And real quick, before we dive into the tutorial, if you don't have a Shopify account yet, then feel free to check the link in our description box down below. Upon creating an account using it, you'll be granted a 3-day free trial. And then after that, you can get any one of the Shopify's main plans for only $1 on your first month. It's a great way to test the platform out, start your e-commerce journey at minimal cost. Moving on, in order to add the payment icons in the product pages, we're going to be using an application called TZ Trust Badges Payment Icons. As this app offers simplicity with a user-friendly interface that makes it very easy for Shopify store owners to add badges and payment icons without any coding knowledge or technical expertise. Another great thing is that the application is completely free and built for Shopify, so you will see how easy it is to add the payment and the trust badges that will help you build customer trust and provide a secure feeling. So let's go ahead and log into our Shopify store, navigate to the application store, and then search for the TZ Trust Badges payment icons. Click the install button, and then it will take you to the application settings menu, which would look like this. From here, you want to navigate to the payment badges on product. And then a cool feature is that the application can analyze your entire theme. And then based on that analysis, we're going to have some payment icons customized for our theme and the brand. And this will help the application choose the best widget position. So let's go ahead and click the Analyze Now button. In order to use this feature, we're going to have to install the Chrome extension. So click on Install Extension now. And then from there, it will take you to the Chrome Web Store and you can download the extension from there. Click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. Go back to the application window in the Shopify and then click Add Widget. And then from here, you can see the entire payment badge. As you can see, MasterCard, Visa, Apple Pay, and others are enabled and showcased in this block right here. And that's essentially how you can add it in the product pages itself. And now we want to click on Choose Badges in case, for example, you don't want American Express to be added. If you don't enable it on your store or something, then it doesn't make sense for it to be showing. So when you click on that, a whole menu pops up and now you can see all the ones that you can enable or disable. For example, let's say that you have PayPal enabled on your website. I can click on it like that and then disable Apple Pay, for example. And then when I click Choose Badges, you will see the menu update right here on the right side. So as you can see, the PayPal menu is now added and the Apple Pay one is disabled. Another thing we can customize is within the appearance, so the position. You should keep in mind that the position should catch the attention of customers without distracting them when they're making a purchase. So click Add Block and Customize. And then from here, for simplicity, we can click on Themes Editor. And then from here, you can select the block where you can see the payment badges and then either move it to the next or the previous positions. Once you've made sure everything looks good, save your changes and definitely preview your store to ensure that the payment icons are displayed correctly. Make sure everything looks good onto the mobile devices as well, and then hit save. Continue to fine-tune the appearance and placement of your payment icons until you're completely satisfied with the result. Remember that the goal is to create a seamless and professional integration that enhances your store's credibility and trustworthiness. When deciding where to place your payment icons, there are some key locations to consider. We've covered the product pages, as displaying payment icons on the product pages can reassure customers that their preferred payment method is accepted, encouraging them to proceed with their purchase. Additionally, using the application, you can add it to the cart page. Including payment icons on the cart page reinforces the available payment options and builds trust as customers approach the checkout process. Adding payment icons to your Shopify store is a simple yet effective way to enhance your store's credibility. And that in essence is how you can add the payment icons on your product page very easily and seamlessly using this application. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any other questions on the topic, leave them in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.